I hear one of my friends who live up here full time, his grandson's one of my biggest fans, so let's go back, see if they're still at the Forks or not, and let's meet them. Last night I went down to the Forks Roadhouse to meet my #1 fan, a young man named Emmett, and unfortunately my camera didn't record any of the meetings, so I'm gonna head down to his house and then possibly bring him back up here to see the cabin and take a look around. So I'll talk to you guys in a little while. I'm here with my #1 fan, Emmett, and he's come over with his family to check out the Last Frontier cabin. What do you think of it so far, Emmett?
Good.
Good? Okay, let's take a step inside and take a look. So Emmett, what do you think about it? You like it? Awesome? Yeah. Glad you came over? Cool.
How long does it take like 10 miles to get from the
parking lot?
Yeah. All the way to here?
It's a little over 4 miles.
Yeah. Wait, is there a different way that you go out?
No, well, I take the same trail going out as I do coming in. So Emmett, you want to see upstairs?
Sure.
Okay, let me pull down the ladder.
Oh, that's the ladder?
Yeah. It's just an attic ladder that I use to save space. Yeah. Go ahead, take a look up there.
I saw up there once, but I haven't seen it.
Yeah.
Wait, do you pull this up?
Yeah, during the daytime it's up, and then it's down at night.
Wait, you should. I thought you might. Dang, you should.
One of my videos, I'm sitting up there doing some editing and stuff, letting the cabin warm up.
Yeah, I saw that one where you're sitting. Yeah. I could see like. Oh yeah, I could see those windows in the back.
Right. And then 2 or 3 of my videos, I'm doing the insulation up there.
Yeah. Oh, yep, we saw that one.
Yeah.
The one
So I only did this half of the cabin. I may or may not do this half. I don't know yet.
Oh.
Seeing how this winter goes.
Yeah.
Is it cold and when you get up here? Is it colder than down there?
It's pretty much about the same temperature, I think. But it's cold. It was 10 degrees last night when I got here.
Brr.
Yeah.
Wait,
but I mean, it was a heat wave compared to outside, which was like the thermometer right outside that door said -14.
Dang. Yeah, that's about what it was.
Yeah,
so it was a 24 degree warmer in here.
When we were stuck out there, it only takes like 10 minutes to come in from the parking lot our way. So it was supposed to take 10 minutes, but it took an hour.
Right.
Because the snow machine broke down. I got stuck trying to go back for him. It's some deep heckin' snow.
Right. You got it?
You know, like the arm pillows you have up there?
Yeah.
We have one of those. My grandma has one of those.
We have a bunk bed. It's just like hollow and metal and stuff. We just bought it though.
All right.
Oh.
We fight over the top bunk, but we found a solution.
No.
Hey, go ahead and take a look. And that's really my only light in here. It's a square foot LED light.
I know. I saw the one where you were something about the fridge. You had to pull out the fridge.
Yeah, that the hose to the propane tanks go behind the cabinet in there, behind the refrigerator, then down through the floor to the propane tanks.
That's how you go under the ground.
Yeah.
I saw the one when you lost your keys.
Yeah.
So I actually seen pretty much everyone. I saw the one that your camera took in the snow, like the Fox one.
Which one's that?
The Fox where he walked by. There was only like 4 seconds.
Oh yeah. I remember that one.
Wait, why did it shut off?
It's not shut off.
No, why did it like?
Oh, it was my game camera that I have outside on the tree. It only takes 15 seconds of video at a time. So I got a lot of moose pictures on it,
Yeah,
but
so
not this summer. I got one moose this summer, and that was it.
Oh wow. Yeah, they had a rough winter last year
Yeah.
with all that snow.
Yeah, I saw the one when you went to go hunting, but and you were there till like nighttime.
Right.
You didn't find anything. Nothing.
Yeah, I was just over by
Hiding
Jake Lake,
in the trees.
sitting over there this year,
Oh.
hoping to see something come up out of the valley there.
I know
Oh,
where
yeah.
you can shoot some moose at.
Where? Tell me all your secrets.
I don't know. I don't quite remember, but it's really far back.
Right.
Yeah, and that's like Moose Field.
Is it?
Yeah, it's like there's trees and they're always down there. We saw this one that had a baby and a mama.
So, what did you think when you found out that Grandpa knew me?
I was like surprised. Kind of.
Were you?
So then the metal just hangs up every like little point and then
Yep.
it falls back up.
Yeah.
I've ever cracked your fingers in that once.
Not yet. Just like that, and then.
Brian told him that you usually go to the Forks on Friday nights. And
Yeah.
we got in and he's like, we're going. We got to go to the Forks. Oh, Bill might be there.
Ah, come on.
Try throwing it up there. Probably get over and then you could fall. Oh.
If I don't hook it just right, it just slides down and then hangs down.
Oh. Just hangs down a little further
Yeah.
over.
Yeah. And I got a TV. I got a air conditioner for those real hot summer days.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this cabin, 2 summers ago when it was really hot up here, it was like 3 a.m. before it was in the mid 80s inside the cabin.
Oh, man.
Yeah, and that was with the windows open and everything.
So I
And
turned that one on, that one on.
just- it was too hot in here. You couldn't sleep.
Yeah.
And
So-
you're like sweating like, oh my god. I
Yes.
gotta get to the cold side of the cold side of the bed.
Yeah, definitely. Unfortunately, there was no cold side when it's 100 degrees in here all day long. It takes forever for it to cool down. So I got that little portable AC unit, so I can turn it on for a couple hours, cool it down. It doesn't cool it down much, but it'll get it in the upper 70s anyways.
That's better.
And at least there you can fall asleep.
Yeah.
Our dog would like lay in front of the heater in the summer, so he's like he bathes in the sun like.
Yeah,
We're over in our rooms trying to pull down the curtains like, oh my god.
Right.
We're sweating.
Yeah.
Didn't I break my arm that season?
Yes.
So Emma, anything else you want to see? You want to
Not
see the
really.
generator and woodshed
I think I
and-
saw one of them.
Yeah. and the outhouse?
Sure.
I'm taking Emmett over to show him my generator shed and woodshed here. So that's my little generator. There's my chainsaw mill that I'm gonna be using this summer. And my firewood, I'm getting low on firewood. But it should last me till the spring. We only got about another month or two of needing firewood.
You have some firewood over there?
I got some piled up in that little pile right there that I could use if I had to, and then I got a couple trees cut down here and there that I can dig out and use for firewood if needed.
That's your safety.
Yep. Well, actually, it's just I didn't get around to cutting them up this fall before the snow started falling. So.
Now they're just buried.
Yeah. Yep. Just buried, but they'll be there this spring when the snow melts.
Yeah. And the summer's probably really hard to get back here.
It's not too bad here, because it's not too swampy between here and the road, because the way we came over just now,
Yeah.
I go a little different way. I go more out that way versus we came more this way. And
Oh.
it's not too bad going out that way with a four-wheeler.
Wait,
So-
how much time does it take from Proto Creek to get here?
I don't know, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, something like that.
Well, how much does it take from the cabin?
Take,
Our cabin, like,
I don't even know. I didn't even think about timing it or anything.
time it?
Yeah, time it to see how long it takes. But look at all that snow up there. So, my #1 fan, what do you think about the cabin?
I think it's pretty awesome.
Pretty awesome? So you glad your mom got in touch with me so you could come and see it? Yeah. So Emmett, you want to go and do a little bit of riding?
Yeah.
I can show you a couple of things over in this area that you probably haven't seen before.
All I see is a little bit. As far as I see over there and back to that sushi was.
Okay. Let's go and ask Grandpa if you've ever been to the Water Bear.
Nope, I can tell you that.
Okay. Let's see if they want to ride over to the Water Bear.
Okay.
Emmett, thanks for being my #1 fan. It was a great pleasure meeting you and spending some time with you. And I hope you enjoy the rest of my videos. Thank you again.